Hello everyone, welcome to this series of mathematics lessons. In this presentation, we will study about third chapter, playing with numbers. Imagine you have 6 marbles. You want to arrange them in rows in such a way that each row has same number of marbles. You can arrange in the following sense. You can arrange each marbles in each row. There are 6 marbles. You can arrange 6 marbles, one in each row. Or you can arrange 2 marbles in each row. 2 marbles in first row, 2 marbles in second row, 2 marbles in third row. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. Or you can arrange 6 marbles in 2 rows. 3 marbles in each row. Finally, you can arrange all 6 marbles in one row. From these calculations, we can conclude that a product of a number written in different ways. 6 is equal to 1 times 6 or 2 times 3 or 3 times 2 or 6 times 1. Here we can see 1 times 6, 2 times 3, 3 times 2, 1 times 6. Here 1, 2, 3 and 6 are exact divisors of 6. They are called factors of 6. You can see 1, 2, 3, 6 are factors of 6. 6 itself is a factor of 6. Factors and multiples. Let us take a number 20, which is multiple of 2 numbers or 2 factors, 4 and 5. We can divide 20 with 4 as well as 20 with 5. We can divide a multiple with its factors. 20 could be divided by 5 and 20 could be divided by 4 as well. Here 4 and 5 are factors of the 20. 20 is a multiple of 2 factors 4 and 5. A multiple can have more factors. Even 2 is a factor of 20. 10 is also a factor of 20. In this scenario, we considered 4 and 5 as a factor of 20. There are some things where we can observe in factors and multiples. First one, now let us ask a question ourselves. Is there any number which occurs as a factor of every number? Yes, it is 1. 1 is factor of all numbers. You can take 2. For 2, 1 and 2 are factors. For 10, 2, 5 and 1 are factors. You can notice 1 is also a factor. And for 125, 525 and 1 is also a factor. Here we can see, here you can notice 1 is also a factor. So for every number 1 is a factor. For every number there is one factor which is common to all, that is 1. Can 7 be a factor of itself? Yes, we can write 7 as 7 times 1. We say every number is a factor of itself. We saw in our previous example as well. We represented 6 as 6 times 1. 6 is a factor of itself. What are the factors of 16? The factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. 1 times 16 is equal to 16. 2 times 8 is equal to 16. 4 times 4 is equal to 16. 8 times 2 is equal to 16. And 16 times 1 is equal to 16. Every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. We can divide 16 by 1. We can divide 16 by 2. 16 by 2 is equal to 8. We can divide 16 by 8. 16 divided by 8 is equal to 2. 16 divided by 16 is equal to 1. Every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. In this case, that number is 16. And factors are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. What are the factors of 34? The factors of 34 are 1, 2, 17 and 34 itself. Out of these factors, 34 is the greatest factor. Every factor is less than or equal to a given number. Factor of 34 cannot be greater than 34. Factor of a given number is always less than or equal to the given number. Number of factors of a given number are finite. Take any number. There exist finite factors. Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. Now let us see what this means. What are the multiples of 7? Obviously the multiples of 7 are 7 times 1 is equal to 7, 7 times 2 is equal to 14, 7 times 3 is equal to 21, and so on. We will find that each of these multiple is greater than or equal to 7. We are starting with 7. The multiples of 7 are greater or is greater than or equal to 7. 14 is greater than 7. 14 is a multiple of 7. 21 is greater than 7. 21 is also a multiple of 7, and so on. The numbers of multiples of a given number is infinite, whereas in case of factors, the factors of a given number are finite. There is a region where we find factors, because there is some limit where we can find factors. In case of multiple, it is not true. The number of multiples of a given number is infinite. Say for instance, we take number 5. Write the multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and so on. The multiples of any given number is infinite. There is no end for the list. Every number is a multiple of itself. We can take number 7. 7 is a multiple of itself because 7 times 1 is equal to 7. Will be true for any other numbers. You can try for any given number. Every number is a multiple of itself. The content of this recording is borrowed from Karnataka Textbook Society, Bangalore, under Fair Usage Policy. This video is presented by Avari Technologies. Please do hit subscribe button to get more content. Thank you.